Hello everybody, this is just a quick video for people that are setting up Flex Scheduler for the first time. On Monday, September 10th for grades 7 and 8 will be the last day that we have those pride rotations. This could be also a great day for a practice run for win times for staff. You can lock in your advisees so that they can log in, they can see that they've been locked in for an advisory lesson as well. But on Tuesday, September 11th, will be the first day that we have live win for grades 7 and grades 8. 6th grade will be doing live wins on Thursday, September 13th. So if you ever need help, please come see me or see another staff member in the building to get help with Flex Scheduler. But here we go. We're logged in as Jake Norwick. It's at flextime.district112.org. You can see that right here we are in the building, PRM. You want to make sure you're in Pioneer Ridge. If you are in multiple buildings, you'll have access to those buildings as well. And then the different schedule sets. You can see Jake Norwick has the ability to enter win times for 7th grade, 8th grade, and Thursday block. If you're part of a family, you might see Highlanders or Mountaineers. If you're doing any schedule sets like that during the day, you'd have access to those schedule sets as well. If you don't have access to a schedule set that you think you need, please talk to me, Dan Thompson, and I can get you that access for you. But with Jake has an 8th grade advisory, so to create an 8th grade advisory session here, you'd make sure you're on the 8th grade schedule set for Monday, Tuesday, or Friday. And the first thing you're going to do is you're going to create a new offering. So you'd enter in the title for that offering. On Monday, it's going to be an advisory lesson. The next thing you do is your capacity. You'd want to set your capacity at what your advisory is. Not sure what Jake's advisory is, but we'll say it's 12 or 20 or 18, whatever it is. The location. When you put the location down, please use the number. So I'm not sure Jake's, I think, is room 214. If it's A104, you would do that. And then the last thing you want to do is you want to select the category. So the category for this one is going to be an advisory. If Jake was offering something for math, he'd be clicking math. If it was a group flex or personal flex, kind of that guided study hall time, he might click here. But this is an advisory lesson. He's going to go ahead and select that and create offering. After you create it, you can see it here, the teacher, the class, the capacity is showing. This is checked to show to students and showing to all staff. The next thing you have to do is you have to click this edit button here, and you have to select what days you want to offer this. So on the 10th is when he needs to offer it. He's going to then push update. After that is done, you can go over to one other thing you need to do is to pre-assign people. You're going to go to the Manage Roster button. To pre-assign people, Jake went up here to Manage Roster, or Jake would go. He sees that he's on the date, Monday, September 10th, in 8th grade win session. And he sees he's offering a class called an advisory lesson. His capacity is 18 and attending 0. From this point, you can add students to your roster. Okay, and so if this is highlighted, you can add students to it. From here, it says choose course. You can go down and you can select your advisory. And here's Jake's advisory. From there, you can either click to add each kid, or you can go down to the bottom here, where this is a little bit off the screen. You can see, there's down at the bottom, it's just off my screen here, there's a button you can click that all is checked. And then signed up check students is another button down there. And it will populate into this field. At this point, you can see on the far right, it's student edit, meaning that they can change. Can they change? You've pre-assigned them into this class, but can they change and select a different class if they choose? You can do that option, or a lot of times what we refer to as locking them in, you can click no, or there's a button here that says, I want to lock in all of these kids. I want to go mark all no student edit. And at that point, you can click all no student edit. And you can see that this is working. And once that works, hopefully it'll go faster than this. It will go and mark them all locked so they cannot churn. So that's all you need to do is create your offering, lock in your advisory, and then mark all no student edit so that they're locked in. From the kids' view, what we'll show is when Gabby logs in, it will show that she's in an advisory lesson in room 214 and it's locked. She cannot change that option. And so that's what it looks like. Again, we have a lot of staff that have used this for multiple years, so please ask. We're here to support you, and I can come help whenever you need as well. All right, thanks. Have a good day.